Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem. Sorry something went wrong error on PC. First, open Steam and go to Steam. Settings. Downloads. Scroll down and find Enable Shader Pre-Caching. If it is turned on, turn it off. Then click on Clear Download Cache at the top and confirm. This will restart Steam. After Steam restarts, launch the game and check. If you have an NVIDIA card, go to the NVIDIA website, select your graphics card and operating system, download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, run the file, choose Custom Installation, and check Perform a clean installation. Complete the installation and restart your computer. If you have an AMD card, go to the AMD website, select your graphics card and OS. Download the latest driver, install it, and restart your PC. Next, update Steam. Open Steam and click on Check for Steam Client Updates and let it complete. After that, verify game files. Right-click on the game in Steam. Properties, Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once verification reaches 100%, launch the game again. Restart your PC after applying these steps. One of these methods should fix the error. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe.